I'm going to show you the only day trading strategy you need to get payouts and become profitable. Let's jump right into it. Today was so easy. If you are brand new here, me and my brother, we trade this strategy almost every single day. We've gotten several payouts. We have proof of our payouts. We're very transparent with what we do. Go check out our other videos. I can link them as well. All we do, we have a breakout strategy that we show you guys. And today it played out perfectly. Only indicator that we need right here is this orange line that you see right here. These are our pivot points right here. This is very crucial to this strategy. So please make sure that you are using this. So go to your indicators tab, type in pivot, it'll pop right up. I use the second one, pivot point standard right here. These are the settings that I use: classic, auto, one. And that's really all I use for my indicators. So what our strategy is I'm going to go in replay mode a little bit. As you can see, it worked. We've been up all day today, but I'm going to show you exactly why I was so excited to make this video for you guys. Right before market open, we like to mark up our previous daily lows, our previous highs and our previous lows right before market open. So this gray box that you see, this is a session indicator I have, and the blue one here is London. But what I like to do is mark up the lows of the New York session before market open. So that's from 7 a.m. to 8:30 my time, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And I like to just mark up the highs and mark up the lows. Okay, that's all I do. That's where you see these two white lines. And I'm waiting for a breakout above this white line, and I'm taking, or below this white line, and I'm taking. All I do, these are where the pivot points come into play because they are literally magnets. I wait for the market to break out in one direction, and I will literally hold my position all the way to my take profit. Where my stops are, it depends on the size. There's several ways that we like to use our stops. It depends on the size of that previous 5-minute candle. So sometimes on this particular day, could have put it right at the bottom of this candle and you would have experienced rarely any drawdown. That's all you do is you wait for a breakout. So boom, we are in the, as soon as I see a break, we can even go on the 1 minute. As soon as I see it break right here, I am in this trade. Okay. Like literally, this is my entry right there. And I will hold all the way to that pivot point. And the reason I say is because pivot points are magnets. And I'm going to show you in just a sec why as well. Today, look how easy today was. You were in this trade from 8:30 to 8:50, not even 30 minutes, and you caught 128 pips. That's how simple it was. And this was on Nasdaq today. This is YM Dow Jones. Look, same exact strategy this morning today, August 4th. It worked to a T. Hold, breakout, hold to pivot, and then even the S&P 500, same thing. Breakout, hold to pivot. And currently, right now, it is 3:15, and you can see that it is still going up for the day. That's how easy this strategy can be. And the reason why we do take our profits and our partials at pivots, look at all three that I just showed you guys. This is S&P 500. Look what happens as soon as we hit that pivot. We get a little bit of consolidation right here. Look at Dow Jones. When I show you Dow Jones, we're going up and up and up. As soon as we hit that pivot, look, we kind of start getting some consolidation around those pivot points. They are strong support and resistance areas. Look, we go up, we come straight back to a pivot point, consolidate around it for a little bit, and then we go up. Same thing on Nasdaq. Let's just see. This is replay mode. Look, same thing. We hit that pivot, and look what it's doing. It's just kind of teetering around that pivot point. So that's really all the strategy is, guys. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments.